What we are talking about in variable today is how variables are created. Pascal case, camel case, snake snake case. So in Pascal case, the first word of each letter is capitalized. Capitalized. Right. First word of each letter is capitalized. Let's use this as an example for Pascal case. First letter of each word is capitalized. So using the example of first name as an example, first word of each first letter of each word will be capitalized. So we have first name. This is a compound word. The F is capitalized, others are lowercase. The N is capitalized, others are lowercase. Right. So that's an example of Pascal case. And if you come here to use this as an example, this will be first number equals 20, second number equals 546. And for you to use any variable, it has to be predefined before you use it. I will show you what that means later on. So first number has each letter of the first word capitalized. Second number the same. And if you want to make this a Pascal case, we just come do two sum of two numbers is this. And by the time we do print, it gives us the value. So this is an example of Pascal case, right? So let's move to a camel case. So what where camel case is different to Pascal case is it's also a compound word, but the difference here is the first letter of the first word is not capitalized. The second is capitalized, right? So this will be an example of camel case. That would be an example of a camel case. And if we brought that to the example that we are doing, like let me copy this one so that we can reinforce some learning and maybe we choose an example of a camel case will be, let me change this one to avoid confusion. So all the compound words, yeah, their first letter will be in lowercase. And for this, it's just first, and that one lowercase, and that one too lowercase. So how do we change this one? Let's put one, one, one to differentiate it from the top one. So I put this as 202 and that one at 546. So this will be an example of a camel case. So remember, if you have a compound word, the first letter of the first word is lowercase, the second one will be capitalized. And look at here, the first one is lowercase, that one is capitalized, capitalized. So that's how it goes. So if we come here, it gives us the sum of number one and number two is 748. And the next one will be snake case. So example of snake case, using the same example, we come here, all we have to do is just break it with an underscore. That's the difference. So this is Pascal case, camel case, snake case. So let's copy this as an example again to use. So we'll come here, break it with underscore, come here, break it with underscore, come here, break it with underscore, underscore, underscore. So I'll just copy this instance everywhere so that it makes sense and there will be no error in our program. And I will bring it here, bring down here, just copy and paste. And I will say snake case. So, and let's change this value to 2025. So you can say, so this is an example of a Pascal case, variable naming convention, an example of camel case naming convention, an example of snake case naming convention. So, what are the tips in creating variables? So, you can see that when I started there, it all contained letters, right? That's the first tip. It contains, it can contain letter, all letters. There is no problem with that. And it can contain letters with numbers. There is no problem with that. So you can see that all these are letters, and this is just a number. That's okay. And if you like, you can start a variable. You can name your variable starting with underscore, right? So you can start with underscore, underscore, and you just come here, you change that one to that one, that one to that one, and that one to that one. And we change the value to 5,460. So you do this. So you can start your variable naming using an underscore.